Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. I am Alicia. It is so nice to see you. If you are joining us for the very first time, welcome. It's nice to meet you. I'm so happy to have y'all here today, and I'm looking very forward to spending some time together. We are going to do something just a little bit different in today's video. We're going to do a fall tour. This is going to be my very final fall video of 2022. Gosh, that can be a mouthful. Anyway, so I just thought it would be fun to just kind of take a look back at the last few months as we've been diving into fall, and we've done a lot of really fun things together. So we're just gonna kind of take a little walk down memory lane. So grab your coffee, because this is just going to be a nice, relaxing fall home tour to music. And then at the very end, I will jump back on and we can chat a little bit about what we have coming up in our next few videos. So I hope y'all enjoy. Thank you again for being here. Oh, friends, I enjoy taking a walk down memory lane and just looking back on all the past couple of months through our fall season and all the fun things that we've done together. It's really been a lot of fun, and it's been special to me. I've seen a lot of growth on my channel during this fall season, and I just want to thank each and every one of you so much from the very bottom of my heart for all your love and all your support in helping me grow my brand new channel. All right, with that said, let's talk about what we've got coming up in the next several weeks. So pretty much through the entire month of November, we are going to be diving full force into Christmas, and I am so excited, y'all. Christmas is my absolute favorite time of the year. I do tend to go a little crazy and a little nutty with Christmas decorations, but why wouldn't we, right? It's Christmas. It's the most magical time of the year. So that's what we've got coming up. We do have one episode where we're going to work on some Thanksgiving things, and then I'm going to kind of mix that in a little bit with some Christmas. And then we've just got Christmas throughout the entire month of November. So I hope that y'all will join me. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and be sure and give these videos a like, because that really does help me grow my channel, and it helps YouTube recognize me and share my video with more of you. So anyway, I look forward to seeing you all again next week. Until then, y'all take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.